Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the icon and securing access. Create a proper ICO 256x256 recommended and log in as an administrator. You need permission to modify system files. Once done, copy the original target, typically C, \Windows\Explorer, EXE or Explorer frame, DLL to a safe backup named Explorer, EXE, back. Next, take ownership and grant full control to your admin account for that file so you can write changes. Install Resource Hacker or a trusted resource editor. This is the tool you will use to replace the embedded start icon. You now make the actual swap. Open Resource Hacker and load the Explorer. EXE copy you backed up. If the system file is locked, work on the copy on your desktop. Find the icon or icon group entry and replace it with your new ICO, ensuring you include standard sizes 16, 32, 48, 256 so Windows scales correctly. Once replaced, save the modified file. Then move the edited file back to C, \Windows. Replacing the original, only after confirming ownership and permissions, are set to allow the replacement. Finish by applying the change. Restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or perform a full reboot. That forces Windows to load the new icon resource. If icons look wrong, delete the icon cache, DB, and restart again. In the rare event the Start button fails, immediately restore Explorer, EXE, back from safe mode or use Windows Recovery Environment to replace the file. Make sure to return file ownership to Trusted Installer and restore original permissions. This prevents Windows Update or other security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.